What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be putting some charge coolers and downpipes and some turbo inlet pipes on this BMW F10 M5. Alright, so we're doing stage 2 on the BMW, so we've got a set of NGK one-step colder plugs, which is recommended, and we're going to gap them to 20,000. The coolers are in, the plugs are in, the filters are in, and now we just need to put the downpipes in. So we just finished up the install of the VRSF charge coolers, downpipes, and turbo inlets. We've also got some K&N high flow filters and a new set of one-step colder plugs, and we're going to go ahead and load the stage 2 tune on it. But these old plugs, man, they were pretty rough looking. So we are data logging the BMW with the new downpipes and charge coolers. Make sure everything's safe.